When you use stellards.io as your data backend and you want to integrate that with your application, you will most likely use OAuth 2.0 for securely authenticating and authorizing users to log in on your website or other application. And the OAuth 2 dialog is actually for security reasons triggered from stellards.io, so it is important that you can also customize the look and feel of this OAuth dialog to make it really fit into your application. And for that, you can customize this from the stellards.io account, and the following dialog elements you can adapt the colors to match the look and feel of your application. That is the primary and secondary color of the dialog, and from that the gradient, and also the font and button color. And finally, you can also put your own company logo on this OAuth 2.0 login dialog. Let's just play with it from the stellards.io account and see the possibilities to adapt the OAuth 2 dialog to match your application look and feel. And to show you this, we start from the stellards.io application, where I have my project after login and where I also defined an OAuth 2 application. Here the Postman application, because we are going to demonstrate this from Postman. So I created an OAuth 2.0 Postman application where you can see the client ID. The secret is not visible. I already configured it for Postman, and here is the expected Postman callback URL for the OAuth 2 authentication and authorization cycle. Here in the left menu we have access to customizing the OAuth 2 login form, and we'll change that, customize that in a moment to show you how that looks like. But first of all, let's move to our Postman, where I created a workspace with an item that requires OAuth 2 authentication. And here, from here better, I can trigger the OAuth 2 dialog. And as you can see here, it uses the typical stellards.io dark blue background and purple buttons. And so that is what you get when you choose the default stellards.io login form. But the purpose of this video, of course, is to show you how you can customize that. So let's move to the stellards.io application, and now we enable using a custom design. And for that custom design we can change the background color, and that is, we can choose a gradient. You can see the gradient here in our preview for that customized dialog, and we can also change the font color. So let's change that to blue. Well, that's not matching very well. Let's change it to orange so that you can clearly see the changed design. And finally we also have the button color, and so let's take a button color. Well, we could make it white, for example. We can also play with the RGB values to make it right and fully opaque with this value. Like this, it will be better to have a white button. And finally, what I can also do is add my custom logo. So here is the place for the logo. When I click it, I can select another image for my logo, and this is the logo that I want to use for my custom OAuth 2 dialog. Let's save the changes. That is done. And when I move now to Postman and trigger here to get a new access token, you can see that my fully customized OAuth dialog is in place, can be used. And with this customization, you can fully adapt the OAuth 2 login dialog to match with the look and feel of your own web application, or maybe a native application, wherever you want to use stellards.io as a backend for your data. Enjoy using stellards.io, and Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this video if you want to see more content coming up for stellards.io. We have more content in the pipeline, more specifically how you can use our SDKs to use stellards.io with a minimum effort from your favorite programming language or programming environments. Stay tuned for more videos on stellards.io.